Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Voicemod is installed and active. Make sure your microphone is set as default in Windows sound settings. Next, pick a short MP3 or WAV file under roughly 10 MB so loading is quick and stable. Once done, open Voicemod and go straight to the Soundboard tab. This is where you'll add music files. You're doing this to layer music with your voice or trigger tracks during chat, so keep file names simple and recognizable. You now import the song. Click the Add Sound button and browse to your MP3 or WAV. Once imported, configure how it plays. Choose Loop for background music, One Shot for effects, or Hold to play if you want control with a key press. Then set the volume and optional fade in or fade out so it blends with your voice. Finally, assign a hotkey for instant triggering during streams or calls. This makes using music seamless while you focus on speaking. Finish by routing audio. In Discord, OBS, or Zoom, choose Voicemod Virtual Microphone as your input so the music and voice go together. You should run a quick test call or recording to confirm levels and balance. If music overwhelms speech, lower the soundboard volume and raise your mic gain. If nothing plays, make sure the app input is set to Voicemod. Windows privacy allows microphone access, and the soundboard slider isn't muted. That single check solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.